Hey, curious minds! Welcome to a place where we challenge what you think you know about the world around you. Today we're diving into the fascinating question, can humans really outsmart science? Have you ever wondered if you could actually outsmart science? It sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that sometimes our brains can surprise us, and sometimes science has a few tricks up its sleeve that leave us scratching our heads? Well, today I'm putting that theory to the test with 3 mind-blowing experiments that challenge what you think you know. These aren't just any experiments, they're designed to reveal the hidden quirks of your mind and show you just how fascinating the science of being human can be. Grab a pen, get comfy, and play along, because these results might just blow your mind. You might even want to grab a friend or family member to join in, because these challenges are even more fun when you compare your answers. Alright, experiment 1, the memory test. This is a classic, but it never fails to surprise people. I'm about to flash you a quick list of 10 random words. Try to remember as many as you can. Ready? Don't write them down yet, just listen and see how many you can keep in your head. Here we go. Apple, car, moon, chair, river, dog, book, light, train, hat. Take a moment, try to picture each word in your mind. Got 'em? Don't worry, we'll check back in a minute. It's harder than it sounds, right? Our brains are constantly filtering information, and remembering a random list is a real challenge. Scientists say most people only recall about 6 to 7, but maybe you're the exception. Some people use clever tricks like making up a story with the words or grouping them into categories. Did you try any strategies? Next up, experiment 2, the reaction time challenge. This one is all about speed. How quickly can your brain and body work together? Here's a fun trick. When I say go, tap your desk or snap your fingers as fast as you can. Ready? This is the same kind of test athletes use to train their reflexes. Set. Go. Did you feel your muscles tense up? Waiting for the signal? That's your brain preparing your body for action. Did you do it? Studies show the average human reaction time is about 1/4 of a second. That's faster than the blink of an eye. But even the quickest people can't beat the laws of biology. There's always a tiny delay. If you felt like you reacted instantly, well, your brain is fast. But science still has the edge. It's amazing to think about how your nerves, muscles, and brain all work together in a split second. Now, for experiment 3, the brain teaser. This one is a classic puzzle that's fooled even the brightest minds. Picture this. There's a bat and a ball. Together they cost $1.10. The bat cost $1 more than the ball. Think carefully before you answer. So, how much does the ball cost? Take a second to work it out. Don't rush. Most people quickly say 10 cents. It just feels right, doesn't it? But sometimes our brains jump to the easiest answer, not the correct one. But, pause. If you check the math, the ball actually costs 5 cents. It's a perfect example of how our minds can be tricked by a simple question. The bat is $1.05, the ball is 5 cents, together that's $1.10. See? Even the smartest brains can get tricked by a well-placed puzzle. It's not about being bad at math, it's about how our brains look for shortcuts. So what did you learn? Did any of these experiments surprise you, or did you see right through them? Sometimes the most interesting discoveries are about how our own minds work. Sometimes our minds are way more powerful than we give them credit for. Other times, science reminds us we're not as clever as we think. But every time we test ourselves, we learn something new, and that's what makes science so much fun. Did you beat the memory test? Outsmart the brain teaser? Let me know in the comments how you did. Share your results, your strategies, or even your funniest mistakes, because learning together is what this channel is all about. If you love wild experiments that mess with your mind, hit that subscribe button and join me for more science that'll keep you guessing. There's a whole universe of mysteries out there, and we're just getting started. Remember, stay curious and never stop testing what you think you know. The more questions you ask, the more amazing answers you'll find. See you on the next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep having fun with science.